Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our 180th State of the Track. This time at 40th Lorry at the flushing line. One slight inconvenience. Well, we will be unable to do the whole station in one single shot. We have to do first this side, that's the Manhattan bound, and then we'll do the Flushing bound. Remember, this is a viaduct. But anyways, we'll see you in the Flushing bound track. After doing the Manhattan bound side, we're at the Flushing side at 40th Lorry here at the Flushing line. These are the conditions. Needs attention. But anyways, this will conclude our State of the Track at 40th Street.